Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are not going to learn new words and expressions, just review them. Follow me to read them out loudly one by one. Okay, let's start. 坚持，坚持，坚持 keep going, keep going. 加油，加油，加油 come on, come on. 我能，我能，我能 I can, I can, I can. 学习，学习，学习 study, study, study. 汉语，汉语，汉语 Chinese. 简单，简单，简单 easy, easy, easy. I can keep learning Chinese. 我能，我能，我能坚持，坚持，坚持学习，学习，学习汉语，汉语，汉语。我能坚持学习汉语。I can keep learning Chinese. 朋友，朋友，朋友。祝好，祝好。祝好 all the best. 尽快，尽快，尽快 as soon as possible. 等等，等等，等等 wait and so on. 也许 maybe, maybe 也许，也许，也许回来，回来，回来 come back. 美女，美女，美女 beautiful girl. 帅哥，帅哥，帅哥 handsome boy. 可爱，可爱，可爱 cute, cute, cute. 因为，因为，因为 because, because. 所以，所以，所以 so. 拜拜，拜拜，拜拜 bye, goodbye. 哈哈，哈哈，哈哈，呵呵，呵呵，嘿嘿，嘿嘿。Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.